Do you have to take Medicare at 65 if you are still working? Follow me on TikTok to get these kind of questions answered. Let's take a look. Most people are first eligible for Medicare when they turn 65. So the question is, if you're still working and you have health insurance through your work, do you have to take Medicare? So to answer this question, let's break the working people down into two groups. You have people that are a company with 20 or more employees and people that are working where there are less than 20 employees. Let's start with group number one. With group number one, as a general rule, you can keep your group insurance. It's going to be primary to Medicare, and you don't have to sign up for Medicare Parts A and B. I always say to people, double check with your HR department, but just know that the Age Discrimination Act governs in this setting, and they have to offer the same insurance for the older employees that they offer to the younger employees. Now, some people in this scenario still take Part A if they're not contributing to an HSA. Some people don't, and some people may do a analysis to make sure that they want to keep their insurance versus going into Medicare, because that's also an option. Now, if you fall into group number two, where there are less than 20 employees, you do need to take Medicare. Your insurance, even if you could keep it, is going to be secondary to Medicare. So that means if you had some major health issue, you wouldn't have a primary payer, and you'd be stuck with a lot of the bill. So you definitely want to take Medicare under this scenario, and then you're going to figure out, is there an option to keep your group plan as a secondary payer? Is it worth keeping it as a secondary payer? In the alternative, you could get a Medicare supplement or you could get a Medicare Advantage plan. So just know, depending on which group you fall in, that's going to help you figure out what your answer is. Follow me on TikTok. Reach out to me if you're looking for help with these kind of questions.